Yeah. I always want to wait for like a good part of the fucking music to dive in. Check, 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 checking the audio, checking the audio, checking the audio, check, 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 checking the audio, checking the audio, checking the audio. All right, I got some audio over there. Let's check the other audio. Check the other audio. Checking the audio, checking the audio. Check, 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 checking the audio. Oh, dude, shit, that's not what I
Ladies
want to
and
do. What I do? No. Okay, so I have audio in those places. I guess I'll check over here. A good part of the fucking music to die. Okay, apparently they can hear me on X. I don't know how to like read X comments and stuff though. Check, check, check. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I have a no sound question mark from Eritzard. Okay, I'm good now. How do the NFTs look? I don't know. So they're still working on the artwork for the character NFTs. The the core NFTs, I think you already saw. Let me see if I have a demo. The core NFTs you already saw. They look like video games and stuff. He totally posted. He totally posted. Um, what they wanted that they were gonna look like. Where the fuck did that go? It was so long ago. He posted it so long ago, and I don't remember which. Oh, I remember. I think I remember what chat. But again, it was like, God, it was so long ago. Let me see if I can just scroll real quick and see if I can pop, if I can discover something. Scroll, 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 scroll. Discord, scroll, 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 scroll. So super exciting shit today. NFT updates are working as of like literally hours or minutes ago. Minutes? Um, I don't see where he posted the demo art for it. Anywhere. Anywhere. I'm looking at messages from like May 9th now. Okay, so I don't think it was before May 9th. I'll see if he can send me one and I'll show a demo of it. Jump to present. I'll ping him and I'll ping Josh and see if he's cool. If he's cool with that. Okay. Do you have a prototype of the Dragoon character NFTs I can show? Question mark. Okay, so are you ready for this? I'm excited. I'm excited. So I just like, oh god, what did I just do? I had to throttle back the server security because he's using like a different token. Okay, so here's what's happening. Actually, I'll start over. So here's what's going on. So this is the. I'm getting ahead of myself here. Step one, pause music. Step two, unpause music. Holy balls, it's probably loud for you. Sorry about that. Let me get that turned down a little bit for you, and then let me get it a little turned down. Oh shit, for me, just a little bit. Now it dove me to another desktop. I have no idea what that just did to you. Here is what. Here's what they're gonna look something like. So this is the default dragon that's going to be, so anyone who has a core NFT is going to be able to play the game. I think it's with the fire, and then whoever this fucking guy is, and I think the minigun, I think the like rapid fire volcanonator gun is the default gun. And so anyone can just buy a core NFT for $10, play through the entire fucking game and get all the upgrades and do all the shit, and not have to buy a character NFT. Character NFTs are primarily going to be skins for the dragons and the riders, and then I think they will also have a weapon that'll let you start with something different. And then as you play the game, you like use gold to unlock the different weapons and that kind of thing. And I think most of the stuff is going to be saved on your core. But progression, you're going to be able to save progression on your core and progression on your characters. And so you can run around and level up your different characters to get different corruption levels and that kind of thing. So here's kind of what the NFTs are going to look like. There's like this futuristic kind of like anime style that they're going to have. They're going to show the in-game image down here in the bottom right. And then they're going to have the elements. So this, I think, is the red dragon. This is the rider's symbol. And I think this is the gun. Is it a light? Is it a light weapon? I don't know. So this is just an unfinalized prototype, but it's going to be something like that. And it should be very easy to look at it and then instantly say, okay, that's the color of the dragon. Okay, that's the color of the rider. And then everyone will instantly say, God damn it, I wanted the void dragon. Why didn't I get the fucking void dragon? Now I have to mint again. Fuck. That's exactly what everyone's going to say immediately. Okay, so first up, I went to our QA site and I went ahead and got an off code here, 3230011. 3230011. We're going to load on in. Loading complete. So it just reached out to my core, and I'll fucking prove it to you, or I won't. Actually, it might show the API key. I don't really want to show the API key. How can I do this without showing the API key? Good question. 1 second. I'm going to open it over here. So just kind of off the screen just a touch to see if I can demonstrate some real world shit without, you guys all fucking hacking me. Okay. Global wallet, session, active core collection, API response data. Okay, I don't see any API keys being printed. Oh my god, that's nuts. Whoa. Let me clear this and refresh it and do it again to get a clean slate here. That's what I'm not used to. I'm not used to the people that are watching being incredibly ultra tech savvy and ready to hack me in an instant. That is something that's very kind of awkward. 3230011. It's kind of awkward about the crypto community, right? Awkward. They want to steal all your shit. Okay, we're loading everything, reloading everything. Sorry, I promise this will be very interesting in just a moment and demonstrate that we are actually delivering a product in a game that's not like vaporware, right? We're legit, god damn it, I promise. Okay, MPI, game API token. There it is. So everything below this should be groovy. I'm gonna give it a little bit of space just in case. Don't regret going full screen. Okay, I don't know if you can see it here, but this is me activating my core NFT. This is so tiny, you can't fucking read it, can you? You can't see shit. Can I zoom in? Will it? Oh, it's working. Okay, so as you can see here, it went to my session. From my session, it grabbed my core. It grabbed my core NFT, which has my collection address, and then it has my core ID, which is 36. It then went ahead and did a single token lookup with get NFT, and it sent this to our API. Here's my API response. We got it. API success data. Yippee. 200 result. NFT found. Here's all the data that is loaded actually from the NFT from the dungeon chain, and all of the stuff that this is the raw data that it received. And it's like, yay, sweet, excellent. And we make sure we have everything, and then it's and it loads everything. Okay, so your core NFT really is your save game. Your core NFT has your fucking volume saved to it. Come on now, right? Like there is no. It's so. I can't stress there is no file on your computer. Your game is in your core NFT. End of story. That's where it fucking is. And if you choose to sell your core NFT, I guess they inherit your background volume settings. Right? What a world we live in. Okay, so see on here, you can see that my rider's been set for my NFT, and it's going to load all kinds of stuff. How much gold do I have? What's my player experience? What artifacts do I have? All this kind of stuff. Daily completed. So there's daily tasks and stuff, whether or not they're completed. There's a ton of data, a ton. These skills right now, of course, they're machine readable on your NFT, and so we're gonna have to do a little bit of black magic when we present the NFTs for display at the website to make sure that it doesn't show up like weapon 14. It's actually super ultra flamethrower, or whatever, it's human readable. So you have to do a little bit of transformation to make that happen. But yeah. Oh yeah, then stamina. Like, we have stamina because we're probably going to implement that too. Anyway, I just wanted to demonstrate that we are reading from the blockchain. Like, it read my core NFT. It done did it. I'm going to go to full screen. How does it look? God, it looks fucking... My controller. My fucking... I need a controller. I'm not playing this shit with the keyboard again. I'm not doing it. I'm just not fucking doing it. Cross your fingers. This shit's not going to be charged. There's no way this thing's charged, right? There's absolutely no way it's charged. That would make way too much fucking sense. Alright, I'm stealing you, power cable up here. Plugging you in. Xbox controller. There's no way this is going to work, right? This is going to like... I'm just going to push the button and it's just going to like start doing things. Oh, okay. We're moving this thing around the screen. That's cool. Why are you drifting? Why is there drift? Oh, I need to like... I haven't fucking set up my controller. Fuck it. No, we're not going to do that. Well, let's try. We'll try it and we'll see if it works, right? Okay, why can I not... Why can I not, right? What's going on? Something's going on here. Let me refresh. I'm probably trying to do too much shit. Oh, now it won't let me use the mouse. That's nice. This drifting is annoying. Drift. See that drift? Drift. What have I done? What have I done? I broke it somehow. It's my fault. What have I done? Let me clear this, refresh this. What did I do? Maybe plugging in the controller to fuck some shit up. It's not giving me the, it's not giving me the pop-up anymore to do the entry. What does that mean? What does that mean for me? I don't know what that means. Let's do it again. Maybe. If it doesn't show up, I'm gonna have to like nuke my cache, maybe. Okay, there we go. 3, 2, 3. All right. Okay, maybe just I need to not like fuck off. Why isn't it letting me? Whoa, 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 whoa. Load complete. I'm just gonna go. Okay, now I'm gonna plug in my controller. You see the drift? Is that me? That's me. It's gotta be me, right? How do I not drift? Oh, I bet he doesn't. He might not have chested with a controller that much. So usually games have like a dead zone in the middle somewhere, and I bet he just doesn't have a dead zone. And so even like the point 0.0001 in a particular direction makes it do that. Can I? Okay, I think we're on chapter 1. Okay, hang on. Don't get excited. Touch control. Okay, I have money. So I'm going to the Void Spire. And at the... Oh, dude, it has my save game still. So I'm not spending anything... Oh, wait, no, did I... I have 3 artifacts that are plus energy. none of my buttons let me interact with those. But if I do the mouse, I don't know what's happening here. I'm worried that I'm going to use a controller and I'm going to fucking break everything. That's my guess, is that I'm just going to bust everything by using a controller. I'm going to regret it. X? Okay. Okay, right button is bomb, left trigger... What's shoot? A button is shoot. What's parry? Okay, he made this gun shoot faster, it looks like. Wait, is it me or is everything moving faster? That thing is shooting much more, that's better. Ooh, dude! Whoa. Whoa, whoa. Oh, he fired at me twice. Okay. Okay, what is the, Oh god. Okay, right button is bomb. Okay, got bomb down. What is left? Left is parry. There's my parry. Where's my, flame breath? Yeah. Okay, Y is flame breath. Oh, get bombed, bitch! Oh man, this feels so good with a controller. Oh man, that feels good with a controller! Oh, fuck yeah, dude! Welcome everybody, if you don't know who I am, I'm Demon Gun. Usually do RPG stuff, but I've actually been doing game development stuff the last year or so. This is Cosmic Dragoon. It is the most recent game that we have published, question mark? Basically, we built an API that interfaces with our stuff for Web3 NFT stuff, and we're partnered with Polarity Flow, which is a super fucking awesome game studio out of Switzerland. And Adrian is the primary developer that I've been working with, and he's super fucking rad. And so, oh, look at this. Oh, yeah, gimme. The music is so good. Oh, this is so much faster. This is so much faster. So, he watched my playthrough and he noticed that the game slowed down a lot. And remember so last stream I was telling people that I implemented some stuff in my extensions for Game Maker Studio 2 that was adding global variables to everything. And I thought I was just making global variables in a local file, but he was like, no, when you add variables that way, you're adding them to every object in the game. And so I made I don't know, 10 or 20 variables that I was just kind of working with. And he was like, yeah, so every snowflake, every raindrop in the game all had those 30 extra parameters on it. So last time I played, oh my, this is so much fucking faster. So that was my fault that I basically totally fucked my whole last session was because of that. What else do I want to say? So yeah, so I made the API, kind of the back-end server stuff, and then I built, and this is kind of what we want to do as dungeon games, right? We have a chain, and what we want to do is help developers who can make cool-ass fun games like this, basically do NFT things in a way that's not shitty, right? In a way that's that marries kind of the moral compass of the gamer world. Well, I should say the indie gamer world, not the AAA gaming world. That's a whole different. That's a different thing, right? Yeah, we want to find these little studios that can produce kind of really fun games. Cracked Asteroid hums with the voice of Long Dead Star. Oh, I wonder if he added different ones. I'm gonna listen intently. But I already have Max artifacts. How do I swap it out? Decrypting okay, what artifact did I get? Do I get to choose my artifacts? Can I swap artifacts? I don't know how that works. Different. Hyperdrive precision. Drone rotation speed. Okay, did it start me over? Am I started over? I don't think I'm started over, am I? I am started over. All right, so step 1. Gold. Is it saving? I don't know if it's saving or not. I'm not getting the, like, save thing. I'm not getting a save message here. I hear like a plunk, 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 plunk sound. I see my stuff is loaded, but I'm not seeing that my game is saved. Data loaded, data loaded, data loaded. I'm not seeing that it's being saved. Normally there's like a big NFT being saved thing, right? I wonder if I should play a couple of... I wonder if I should... It should be saving after every level, right? Like, minimum, it should be saving after every level. So I wonder if I should just play it in the local build. Because I definitely saw it in that. Okay, so let's try that. So rather than playing it off of his server... let's go ahead and try to play from the local build, and we'll see if the updates kick in from there. Because I definitely tested it on the local and I saw that it was doing it. I don't know why. There's some like, I hope it's not. Again, I hope it's not the controller. Oh man, it very well might be. Well, we'll try it on. We'll try it on the. We'll try it on my local, and then we shall see what happens here. We shall see. Okay. Let's 323011. Loading complete. Loading complete. Okay. We're gonna go through this again, which is fine. And then last time I hit save and it fucking did it. It was like NFT saved or some shit at the top. Updating NFTs. Okay, so let's try playing in this version, right? And this might actually take, I mean, it takes a while. It has to like go send shit back and forth. It's gotta, you know, do all that crap. Let's double check. Let's double check that. Trust but verify. Oh, what's this? NFT data update request was successful. Mm-hmm. Yes. Yes, it was. Okay. I'm glad I noticed that. So there's stuff we have to iron out with it being hosted. No big deal. I honestly don't remember what I was saying before. Just that our goal is to make it really, really, really easy for game devs to do shit on our chain, yo. And we are like tiny indie people who want to work with tiny indie people. Actually, oh, this is the right gun. This is definitely the right gun. Homing missile rocket pod mania. Get die. This is so much fucking faster. Left bumper. Get out of here. Fuck off. Eat homing missile rocket pods. Um, okay, so on the topic of NFTs being evil, um, I have noticed that in the kind of the crypto industry that, yeah, man, when I first got involved in this, I was definitely a skeptic because all of the stuff that I saw was like weirdly predatory. You know, if you take a look at hamster combat, stuff like that. That's like, what are you actually doing in the game? Like, it's like a clicker game. It's like it's nothing, right? Like, dude, look at his fucking gun. Did you see that? And he like let him have it. Look at that. If you can only like, you know, hit. So when I first got into this space, yeah, NFT games are like weird and predatory and not usually very much fun. And so it was really cool to like learn about, when I did kind of like learn about like what NFTs are and stuff. I still don't understand the whole like getting NFTs. I'm on the gamer side. I like the whole I'm gonna get NFTs as like an investment project, like that kind of stuff. It's not super exciting to me. What is exciting to me is that it's like completely open and transparent. Fuck, I don't have enough. God damn it. It's completely open and transparent. Okay, I'm gonna try saving now. Fuck. It's not doing anything. Shit balls. So I got the one save. But then after that, it's just like, nah, I don't want to save anymore. Is that what's going on? And that's fine. I'm fine just like playing the game to have fun. But let me double check here what's actually like happening. So there was our save event. Can you save without modifications? I don't know what that is. There's our success event. I want to save it now. There's like no event firing. There's no debug happening at all. That sucks. Oh, let me look at the server. Is the server complaining about anything? Oh my god, where is my server window? Where are you, server? Server. Here you are. Where? Hello? Server. What are you thinking, server? What's happening? Are you getting a request, server? Okay, I got a request for the developer token. Hello, where's my cursor? Do I have no cursor anymore? Hello? Hello? Okay. That... Oh! Was it up off the screen? It's up off the screen. Okay, hang on. Hang on, I need to send a note to developer man. If you use a controller, you can scroll the cursor up off the game window into the ether. That's pretty funny. Okay, so where am I now? Oh, here I am. Okay, so what should I do? What should I do? This might be a browser thing. If I try running it with a local, like, actual, like, non-HTML5 version, what should I do? It saved the one time. I'm so sad. I can hear it wanting to do it. I can't. I'm not about to, like, dive into debug stuff. So, okay. It's just not going to save my progress. Lame, but whatever. That's fine. We will go kick ass anyway. I will buy the backwards facing hyper, like, murder gun, though. I want the backwards murder gun. Oh, I have it. I have the hyper beam. I have the Syndrail. I have the Ashrend. Oh, dude, I have a bunch of stuff unlocked. But I want to turn some stuff off. Okay, the Helix sucked. Wait, can I... Over here? No? What if there's a change? If I change something? Maybe it has to detect a change before it'll save again. Nope. Sucks. Okay. So... Note all of the guns that were unlocked. Note all of these guns that are unlocked. Can I... I'm not sure that I understand what I can do here. If I... When I use my... I think maybe I'm just running into shit because I'm using a controller. I wonder if it's just because I'm using a controller. Let me try unplugging the controller real quick. It used to be that I would click on these, and then I could, like, enable and disable them. Like, it would do this, like, lock guy here. Like, see how I can lock that or unlock it? Why can I disable these, but I cannot disable the helixes? What all can I? What is the rhyme or reason here? I don't know the logic, but I do feel like I'm only getting these 3 guns. Drop chance 27%. Wait, did that change? What the fuck? What does that mean? 30%? 27%? I'm confused. No, there's just something happening here. I don't know what it is. I want the freaking hyper beam though. Okay, so I'm gonna try turning off all of that stuff there. But the problem is it's not then saving? Or maybe it is? I don't know. I'm curious. Okay, so okay, so it's still got my controller stuff on, probably because my controller's wireless and doesn't actually need to be fucking plugged in. I'm just like a scrub. Oh, I already missed the controller so much. Okay, so I am getting other guns now. Ooh, I'm getting like a void machine gun here. It shoots bursts. Oh, dude, there's a bunch of damage too. Oh, I kind of want to keep this thing. Okay, I take it back. Yeesh! I take it back. I'm gonna use my controller. But it's probably not, it doesn't have any juice, so I have to plug it in. Yeah, I fucking have to use a controller. It's just so much more fun with a controller. Ah! Parry, parry, parry. Ooh. Ow! Okay! That's what I get for messing around? I got hit like twice, almost died. Actually, I probably got hit about 14 times, is actually what happened. Front back gun. Oh, I can't see chat now. Okay, I need to not get hit anymore. These little bastards need to give me, shit, that was like the worst. Ooh, got a little tiny bit of health there. Shit. Oh man, if there's a boss at the end of this level, I'm in trouble. I am in deep shit. That was close. Okay, let me get chat back. Let me get chat back. Not that you guys are saying anything. You are awfully quiet tonight. You are awfully quiet tonight. I want to loot the ship because I kind of want money, and I think maybe it'll give me money. $900 coins. Oh yeah. Uh-oh, I got survive. Dude, this is actually like quite a bit harder, which is nice. Oh, whoops, that's not what I wanted to do at all. What is that gun? What is this thing? This is so much better. This is like a green minigun. Okay, I cannot AFK now. Right after I like gave you crap for not writing in chat, I like cannot fucking read chat or I'll die. Why is it giving me so many fucking guns? Look at this, it's like, oh, yeah. That really fucking sucks. Ouch. Shit. Backwards gun, bitch. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Oh, you're in the office? Nice. Uh-oh. Do you hear the music? Oh, I was going to say the music was like overlapping, but... Oh my gosh. What else is there to say? Right? Like, what else is there to say is that my cursor's somewhere. I don't know where my cursor is. My cursor is somewhere. My escape key's not working. My right click. Hello, are we here? Okay, there's my mouse. Where the shit is my cursor? My cursor's lost. Oh, no. What is going? Okay. What the fuck? So cursor getting lost after levels. Interesting. I wonder if I keep it out of full screen mode, if that would help with that. I don't know. Okay, we'll try this next one not in full screen mode. We'll see what happens. Okay. Go away. Go away. Oh, is this survive? Oh, from that gun. Oh, what have I done? Okay, this is the spread ore. Oh, fuck, that hurt. God damn. Fuck you, dragon. That was way fast. I don't know why I kept dropping so many guns. This little gun after gun after gun after gun after gun after gun after gun. So yeah. 2 days. 2 days and you too can play this game. It's pretty fun. I think it's pretty fun. I want to get 3,000 for the next relic. That's what I want. I'm trying to think of what else to say. Do you all have any questions? Right, this game is making Game Maker Studio. The server that I set up is a Node JS server. It's just very, very basic. It's very, very like, ooh, give me a lot of points or whatever. I put it together in probably like, it took me about 6 months, I think. But then again, I know nothing. It was 6 months from blank, programming files, like blank JavaScript files to like full server, like with security and like being deployed and like version control and like all that shit. Ow. Ow! Did you see how much health that just did to me? What the fuck? Why? Why am I only... I got hit once and it was like my whole health bar. Get out of here. Shit. I did that and I got hit. Sorry, I need to focus for just a minute. But yeah, it took about 6 months or so, but again, I knew nothing and it was just like a passion project, right? Like, you know, hey, let's try to do this thing, see if it'll work out and stuff, and it has grown much larger than that. I didn't know anything about Web3 stuff. I didn't know anything about... Oh shit, I need to kill a fucking boss. Oh, you douchebag. Are you fucking kidding me? So it took 6 months from knowing absolutely nothing, and then kind of like learning about NFTs and like what their what the like possibilities with it. Hey, what's up, Hollow? What's up, my friend? This is a new version of the game that'll go live in a couple days. I don't want to buy the rare. I want the legendary. Give me the legendary. Can you tell the watchers how the players be rewarded in here? Yeah, sure. So here's how it's going to work. You can, for the low price of about $10, pick up the core NFT, which is basically like your license, and you can play the game. And you don't have to be worried about any sort of rewards whatsoever. You can just play the game. It's kind of fun. You'll get the default dragon, but you can unlock all the weapons in the game, and the game, you beat it. It's fucking hard as shit. You know, you get your upgrades. You like beat all the levels and stuff. Ooh, front back gun. I'll take it. Apparently this level is a good time with the front back gun. So that's basically your license is just like you buying the cartridge. And because it's an NFT, you can just like send it to anybody you want. Like, oh, your friend wants to play it for the weekend, just fucking send it to him. Oh, you're going to die. You can, give the game to your kids. Unlike Steam, where they will revoke all of them. You broke the terms of service, they'll take all your fucking games away because they're assholes. Bunch of greedy fucking bastards. And so there is it's entirely fine to play through the game without anything to do with any crypto anything at all. If you are interested in the crypto side of things, here's how that's going to work. So as you play the game with your core, it'll save like your background music preferences and a bunch of stuff to the core, and you can progress from the core. If you buy a character NFT, the character NFT will have a different color dragon, or it might have the red. It might have this one. When you mint an NFT, you're going to get a random dragon color and a random rider and a random weapon, I think is how it works. And all the NFTs are permutations of that. I think there's going to be like 1,400 of them. And so how the rewards are going to work is every month we're probably going to do like an event of some kind to do like an airdrop reward or some sort of like partnership program, or I don't know what the fuck we're going to do. But that is usually driven by the rarity of the character that you own, and whether you've got experience for a character NFT in the last like month or whatever. And so every month there's going to be like, hey, this month's airdrop event, and an airdrop is when you have a wallet and you have some coins in it, where we just like airdrop you a bunch of them. Like they're gonna like, oh, we're gonna airdrop 1 million, and then so we divide up the 1 million coins or cryptocurrency or whatever it is to all the different people that apply for it. Ancient Soul Harpoon wreckage. Again, my fucking cursor's in the ether. My cursor's in the ether, dude. Where's my fucking cursor? Does that work? Oh, that works. Okay, I'll just do that from now Wrecked harpoons float lifeless, still etched in signatures from the first celestial haunts. Reforge one, leave the site untouched. Offer a chance. I'm gonna reforge one, yo. Ancient harpoon hums of primal. What do I get? Your main weapon gains a charge of power boosted for the next mission. So, at the end of the month, they're going to be like, hey, anybody who, you know, I'm trying to think of how to put this. Like, if you have a more rare NFT, so as you mint the NFTs, some are like common, some are rare, some of there's like secret rares, and then there's legendaries. So the rarer an NFT you own, look at all the colors at the top of the screen. What the fuck is going on up there? Right? Do you see that? I don't know what's going on. Right now it's red. Can I change it? Can I push a button and have it do anything? Oh, purple. Purple just... Why did purple just go up? I don't know why purple went up. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. I don't know what those things are up there. What do you think those things mean? Purple's max now. Anyway, so the people who are hunting for airdrop rewards or long-term investments, right? Like the crypto people, they are incentivized to seek out and buy the more rare NFTs to maximize their whatever it is that they care about, like APR, AP, like earnings per however long. So rare NFTs matter. Leveled NFTs matter. So the different rarities of NFTs will get up to a maximum multiplier. So it's something like a common. If you have a common, you can level it up to like level 10, and then it will give you like a times 10 modifier. Rares you can level up to some number higher than that, like 20, I think, and like then super rares are like 50, and I think legendary is like 100. Like it's like a fucking lot. And so out the gate, that will be a multiplier. Like, do you own a super rare NFT? If yes, groovy, your multiplier is higher. Is that NFT leveled up? Right? If so, that'll make it a big deal too. And then what are the others? There's a bunch of other stuff that will apply towards that airdrop reward. Tinker with your PC this week. Go strip is considered to be full. Turns out my hibernation's file was consuming 64 gigs of 254. Oh my god. Sometimes too much RAM is bad. Okay, what did we do last time? I hit the Windows key. Of all things, the Windows key is the fix here. Wait, maybe it's not. Did I not click? I have to click. I'm gonna try the save button. Fuck you. Sucks. So yeah, the character NFTs are going to be basically how you unlock skins. Do you want a Void Dragon to fly around on? Well, then you need to get the NFT for that. But it's totally cosmetic. It's the same with the rider too. I don't know what all the riders are. I think there's like a robot dude and like a night guy and a bunch of other stuff. So, oh, fucking, dude, this guy. Ouch. And it will also, it'll also likely, there'll be overlap with our other games too, right? So it's like, do you have a Cosmic Quest NFT? Well, then you might get something for that too. Did you level up in Cosmic Quest? Well, you might get something for that too. There's probably going to be a lot of interplay between our different games and stuff. But then they're going to do weird stuff like, this month we're celebrating the Megaloo chain, or we're celebrating some other chain, I don't know. And it's like, well, if you also own an NFT on that chain, well, then you get an additional airdrop reward thing. But again, there's lots of super cool, fun, interesting ways to play to earn. And so let's be. I'm gonna be totally honest. The play to earn that I imagine is someone who's like, you know what, I want to buy an NFT and I want to play the game and then I want to sell it, right? And that's the nuts and bolts of it. So say you go mint an NFT, you get lucky, get like a rare, and you buy it for, I don't know how much they are, $25. You buy it for $25. You level it up to like corruption level 10, which I don't know how long it takes, 4 or 5 hours maybe. I'm gonna extract the energy from my staff. And then you try and sell it, right? Like, okay, you bought it for 25 bucks, and now it's level 20 or 25 or whatever, and so now you want to sell it for 50. So you do. That is how the play to earn would work. Is that people hunting for the APR long-term investment stuff would then start scooping up the NFTs from all the people who are actually spending the time leveling it up. Because you know what, like the rich people hunting for the airdrop reward and all that shit, they probably actually don't want to spend time playing the game. I mean, maybe they do, but if I was like a big important crypto person like that, I probably wouldn't. I'd be busy by the pool with my wife with her, great big ol', you know what I'm trying to say. Oh, Jesus, what's happening? Okay. What the okay. Whoa. So that's how people earn. Rarity matters, level also matters. They'll earn via. Yeah, I think that's kind of the gist of it. I think the plan is to have it be a monthly thing. Like every month there'll be some kind of cool airdrop or some kind of event. I don't know how big they're gonna be because you don't want to, you know what I mean. You don't want to go fucking crazy and like give away 1 billion coins because then they like won't be worth anything. What is this fucking gun? Oh, it's the laser. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be monthly. Oh, he's gonna update the lasers so they keep like going through things. I think because this is not working for me. Not working for me. This is not good. This is like the not goodest. Fucking die. Okay, that gun sucks. We can all agree that gun sucks. Oh, I don't know why I got this gun. Okay, hang on. I need to... What? Holy shit. I don't know how I lived through that. I probably not live through the next one. Oh my god, die. Oh my god, die. Oh my god, die. Oh my god, die. Fuck! Yeah, so I think it's going to be monthly. And, I mean, it'll just really depend. And so, I don't want to talk about it too much, but there's a big deal that's like, okay, well, a lot of the game activity is going to be happening in USD. Like, if you to buy the core NFT, it's USD. To buy the NFT, you know. So what about the Dragon coin? And, what I kind of want to emphasize is that the value, the value of the coin is not where my mind is, right? My mind is like, how do we make a fun game? Dude, that took 3/4 of my health. That one hit took 3/4 of my health. Let's make a really fun game, and what do I think the problem is? The problem is that I think a lot of times there's like, we've got this tech, let's find a problem to solve with it, right? Okay, I need to go buy fucking upgrades or something, dude. I lost all my fuck, this is hard as hell this time around. I keep losing my train of thought because this game's fucking hard. What was I talking about? Coin value. Oh yeah. So, we are gonna organically find ways to make the coin have a purpose or have a value, right? Let's not force it. And so some realistic stuff that could happen. And I don't want to get into it too much, is like maybe being able to play the game using dungeon coin. Like maybe you don't spend $10. Maybe you spend like a couple, and then you get to play it for a little while or something. I think what we're also kind of interested in is I like the idea of people that get the NFTs get something early. So what's an example that I can use? So in Final Fantasy 14, when you go raid stuff, right? Like super high-end raiding, or actually it's kind of the same with World of Warcraft too. If you're in an ultra elite raiding guild and you're going to the end of the game and you're killing the super final boss and like, you know what I mean? Like you're putting in the hours, you're doing your shit. How do they balance the experience of a casual versus, oh my god, I don't have any time to get up there to do my things. How do you balance the experience of a casual with the experience of someone who's hardcore, right? The answer is you allow the people that are hardcore or putting in the work to get something early. And so on that note, where I think we're, oh, I got the fucking I'm dead. I got this gun and I think I just killed myself. I have one bomb. What am I gonna do? Christ. I think what's gonna happen is that the character NFTs are going to unlock oh my god, please be the end of the fucking level, please be. Jesus, that was hard. I have to go see if I can upgrade my hit points and my armor. I have to. I fucking have to. Getting gold's nice, but Jesus Christ. Oh, I can't. I have 3,000, but I need armor, and I need. Yeah. I need this, and I need this. Collision damage plus. I need just a lot of this, please. Give me all the armor and all the hit points. Thank you. That's what I needed. And so I think it will be that character NFTs will go on sale. There's going to only be a limited number of them, and people are going to, I don't know, people in the NFT land really, really want, like, uniqueness, and they really want things to be limited. And so we gotta kind of provide that, right? And so the first batch of NFTs, and actually, like, once they all sell out, you can't participate in any of the airdrop stuff after that, because we're not really going to be looking at your core NFTs. All the airdrops are really going to be based off of the character NFTs. So, god damn it, I keep trying to like make a point and I keep fucking losing it because this guy's shooting me with laser beams. So we will release a game. The game will have a core NFT. The game will have character NFTs. If you buy a character NFT, you're going to get a skin. You get a skin. Oh, I wanted the backwards gun. You're going to get a skin for your dragon. You're going to get a skin for your rider, and it'll have a weapon on it. The core people, they can just unlock all the weapons, no big deal. But what I think will happen is it's like Q1, we release the game and release all of the NFTs for it, right? Well, then we might wait a quarter or something like that, and then you can just buy. Oh, I didn't spend money to upgrade. Give me the legendary. Here's the problem though. I'm maxed on my my artifacts. How do I equip my artifacts? Like I just got an artifact, right? How do I change my artifacts? Hello? Hello, artifacts. Hello, artifacts. So, how about them artifacts? So I think I can click. Can I? When I was using the mouse, I was able to mouse over and it would tell me what these artifacts did. So, I don't know what's up with that. So, like an MMO, they appease the grinders by giving them the cool shit first, and then later, casuals have a way to unlock things that the grinders get, you know, maybe a month or so later. So our plan is, game releases, game has skins attached to character NFTs, and then after like, I don't know, 3 months or something like that, we then allow players to unlock or just buy skins using Dungeon Coin. And it would just burn it, right? Like, they wouldn't like send it to us. We have no need for your Dungeon Coin. So yeah, it's just like, hey, do you want the Void Dragon? Well, it's like 1,000 dungeon, which is like, is it a penny? It might be, no, it might be like 10 cents? 1,000 dungeon, like 10 cents? So something like that, I think, is the plan. To have a little market for cosmetics that you can spend dungeon on. And again, don't quote me on this, but I just think that's one of the ideas that we're kind of tossing around. But of course, we would like talk to people. See, now you hit me and it doesn't fucking touch me. Ha ha ha! Fuck you, giant tanks. Get wrecked. So I think that's what we're thinking. I mean, that's where I'm at. I don't make these decisions, but I talk to people about them. But I think that makes sense to me. I mean, I would be comfortable with that. You want to upload the permissions about play to earn? Oh, did you like clip my explanation? Do you want me to give you a better one that's less interrupted by these ships shooting at me? If you think it's a good clip, I mean, it's up to you, but which bit about the play to earn though? The one where like you level up an NFT and you sell it for money? Or the one where you buy NFTs and cash in on airdrops? Or both, I guess. Yeah, you might want to be like, I don't know, like these are the caveats. The plan is basically that we're going to do it monthly, I think. More or less. Yeah, I mean, if you can edit it, if you can edit my like meandering conversation so I don't sound like an asshole, I'm fine. I'm fine with you hosting it. Oh yeah. Go ahead and upload it. Like all this, any content that I'm producing right now, I think Xanthar would be ecstatic about. As long as there's a caveat that like, I'm just random dev guy. Fuck, I hate this goddamn gun. I want to turn it off. I need to turn off this fucking gun. Damn it. I don't think I'm saying anything that Zan would disagree with. And it's all, I mean, it's, oh, front back gun. Okay, alright, I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. Oh man, it feels good to have armor. I don't die instantly when I hit anything. Except when I run into 5 shots at once. Woo! Woo, woo! I mean, I should probably just actually make write a script and then say the, what the play to earn mechanic is, right? I should just, like, do that. I should not be trying to describe this shit while I'm dodging these goddamn green buttons. It does help, though, that I now have armor and hit points. Like I'm supposed to. Do you see how many times that tank is shooting? Look how many times this tank shoots at me. It's just like blam, 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 blam. What a freaking jerk, dude. It's like, it's fire, 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 fire. That guy. That is not cool. Look at this, and the guys, look at this guy down at the bottom of the screen. Bam, 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 bam. Who's it, a boss? Don't be a train. Are you the boss? What the? Whoa! Okay, there's a guy at the bottom. Again, the guy at the bottom of the boss is not my problem. It's that little fuckhead at the bottom of the screen shooting at me. The boss is actually like no big deal. Oh, whoa! Ooh. Okay, I take it back. Oh my god. I was doing really fucking well. Fuck off, Fire Pillar. What the hell? Dude. Oh, chat and Twitch, hollow. I mean, it honestly doesn't matter. I've got them both open. Whichever you want to watch, really. Yeah, no problem. I will be, I mean, these are highlighted and uploaded on Twitch, and then I'll probably, they're in my live section on my YouTube channel, and then I usually like kind of edit them, and then I'll publish them there too. A little bit. Oh, it's the harpoons again. Stay untouched. I'm not getting any more artifacts because I have max artifacts. So I don't know that it... I guess coins are the way to go. Yeah, so getting 3,000 coins... Okay. Getting 3,000 coins to get the epic relic doesn't make sense. So money right now doesn't really mean anything to me. I kind of want to, I mean, I want to unlock additional guns, I suppose. Maybe I can do that. Unlock all the guns. I wish I could turn off the guns I don't fucking like. What's this gun? What are you? Oh, is this just the, oh, that was a mistake. Maybe not, maybe it wasn't a mistake? Okay, so he amped up the damage on this thing. Alright, we've gotten a bunch more bullets now. Maybe Railgun doesn't suck so bad anymore. Is it Earth-based? Is that why it's brown? Dude, those guys still took 1,000,000 shots. Oh! That's not what I wanted. Okay, so wait. What is going on? Do you see up at the top? Each weapon, is it that I'm upgrading each weapon element? Okay, because I have those little vials of shit, right? Oh, I did not want to do that. I have all the little vials. And the earth one, is that what that is? Does that mean that my earth guns are strong or something? You saw that, right? I have like little... Yeah, I wonder what that's all about. I wonder what that's all about. Huh. But yeah, totally. If anybody has any questions, please let me know. This game was created in Game Maker Studio 2 by Adrian, and I made the integration API where it talks to NFT things and it authenticates with our stuff. Ooh, okay. What are you? What are you, green globule gun? I wonder what this thing... Okay, so it's like rotating spheres. Yeah, I got the dragon. Okay, cool. Okay, it's now doing a decent amount of damage. Oh, it's doing a hell of a lot of damage now. Look at this! Yes! This is what I needed. Fuck off, other guns. Is it oh, it's maxed! Yeah, okay. Yeah, so this is made in Game Maker Studio 2, which is a very interesting program. I'd never done anything in it before. Creating an extension for it to integrate with our Web3 chain was interesting. I mean, it didn't take me very long to do, honestly. Well, you want to talk about hard? Talk about hard. Is making an RPG Maker, making RPG Maker plugins for doing custom authentication, and I knew that was coming. And NFT integrations. That was, oh my god, go away. That was hard. Getting it to work in Game Maker Studio 2, not hard. And so now if anybody comes to us and is like, yeah, I make games in Game Maker Studio 2, like, we have the fucking extensions for that. The Molten Comet probably doesn't matter. Probably doesn't matter. I'm gonna go buy some new guns though. You'll have reduced energy in the next mission? What? That's lame. Okay. What do I want to unlock? The Orion I don't think was very cool. Playmore! Yeah, dude. Pendulum. Oh, does the Plasmatron suck? I feel like the Plasmatron was crap. Collision damage. Plus. I don't think I want more base energy. Oh, base energy would be good. Energy reload. Enemy kills refill energy. Frost wall. Shield parry window goes up. Shield parry refills energy. Shield parry refills energy. I have to get that, right? That's like, I mean, that, how does that work? Shield parry refills energy. Does that just like infinitely do it? Is that what that means? Oh, dude, sick! He just released another image. I gotta show you. Oh, it's the Void Dragon! Okay. Hang on. Check this shit out. That is fucking cool. Oh, look at this. Dude. So this is another prototype of what the entities might look at. Like here's the Void Dragon and then you have the rider in the bottom right. That's sick. And I think it's Dragon, Rider, Element, Weapon? Or something like that? Oh, that is fucking sick. That's cool. That is cool as hell. Okay, is this front back gun? No. This is the Spreador. Ouch, fuck. Oh my god, fuck the hell off. Fucking whales! Dude, look at this, look at that thing at the bottom. Look how many shots it's firing at me. Oh, there's another one. Dude, okay, those things at the bottom need to die immediately. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Yeah, the flowers on the bottom that shoot the... Flowers at the bottom that... Really? Really? It's a new ice gun? Oh my... Does the engine have to be Game Maker? Could you do my... Yeah. I mean, I would just need to learn how to make the extension. I mean, I have the API. It's just a matter of, like, teaching... So I managed to make the extension for Game Maker Studio in about a week, I want to say. It's just pretty simple. Like I need to, oh god, what are the steps? The steps are figure out how the engine handles, like, you know, HTTP requests and all that kind of shit, which is like, it's just basic bread and butter stuff, right? It's just that we happen to start with RPG Maker, which makes that difficult. Or we would have had it done. Oh my god. Fucking. Am I gonna die again? I'm just gonna die again. Fuck. So, it's a matter of like, how do I make an extension or how do I make a plugin for Godot, right? And then it is figuring out what the data structure needs to look like for your NFT, and like what kind of stuff your game is going to save. Then I have a system where there are sessions in the database, right? So the thing about crypto stuff is that you're going to be, oh my god, we're going to be making changes to an NFT. So we need a way to make sure that the person playing the game actually owns or otherwise has, oh my god, what the fuck is going on? What the fuck was I supposed to do there? Oh, is it because I have reduced energy? Dude. I'm about to like rethink my strategy here. So, we need a way of tracking who is playing the game. Like what software, excuse me, what address is in use. And by address I mean, in the crypto land, you have what's called a software wallet. And a software wallet is usually just like a Chrome extension, right? That Chrome extension you authenticate with, and in that wallet, you're going to have certain addresses associated with your wallet. And for our first game, we published NFTs on the Stargaze chain. And so for the first game, oh my god, are you fucking kidding me? And so for the first game, oh my, when the game, oh man, I can't fucking talk and do it at the same time. Gee. Wow. Oh yeah, Steam's not gonna, you can't release your game on Steam and have NFTs, right? That's not a thing. Because the culture's shit. Because people do scammy, dumb, fucking garbage with NFTs. Despite them being kind of actually neat, like the way that they handle data and stuff. So, as you play the game and the NFT is going to be updated, every transaction on a chain costs money. It's not a lot of money. It's like 0.000. There's like 5 zeros. That's how many pennies it is per transaction, right? But we need a way for you to authenticate. And so the software wallet is basically how we do that. In the browser, we basically say, hey, is a software wallet extension installed? Oh, it is. Are they logged in? Cool. Oh my god. I can't do it because my fucking energy's reduced. Do I have to wait for a... Do I have to wait for a shield power up in order to do this? Or am I just like cooked? I mean, I'm getting lots of food, but I can't do this because I don't have enough. I literally don't have enough energy. I have to wait for basically the shield invincibility drop. I don't think I can do this. I think I'm fucked. Yeah, I'm fucked. That sucks. I wonder what Adrian's expected plan of action is for this particular situation. Oh my god, fucking fire breath didn't work. I mean, I can't. Shit. Nope. If you ever do synergy. Yeah! Oh shit, now I need to do this with the next one? Oh, that sucks. Maybe the bad guys will stop though. Maybe I ran the level out of bad guys. What do you mean use shield? It's still, I ain't touching it. It'll kill me. Am I not gonna get any drops? Oh no. There's nothing dropping from the sky. Well, can I kill myself? Am I just like hosed? I'm hosed. Woo! Woo! Can I exit the level? What was that one? Fuck, it's a conquer though. I can't... Okay. Let's try this. I need to get invincibility. Oh, man, I gotta... I know I have so much time. God, I forgot what I was saying. So anyway, the game needs to interface with a software wallet for us to be able to determine that, yes, indeed, here is a wallet address that we care about, and we're going to load the NFTs from it, and we have some assurance that, god damn it, that you have the authority to approve changes on that NFT. Then, once we do that and the game starts, and how I do that is via a session system in the database. Basically, you like go to our website, you I complete a local signing event for your software wallet, and if that local signing event is complete and Kepler says you are good, then we're going to create a session in the database linked with your wallet, and it will be verified. And then once you start the game, you punch in your authentication code, and it's going to say, oh, okay, this approves. So, wow. I think I might just be fucked. I think I'm fucked. Okay, cool. It just kicked me out. I have to do this, then this. Does that work? Hello? Hello? What have I done? I've just like broke everything here. My cursor is like off in the ether somewhere. But usually when I do this, it jumps to the middle again somehow. But maybe not this time. Fuck. I don't know where my cursor has gone. Oh no. God damn it. That's painful. That's painful. That's painful. Okay, so this is the authentication event. So basically over here, I can show it to you. So I have a software wallet running, right? Oh, maybe I don't. Maybe that's why it was upset. No, I do have a software wallet. What's your problem? So I select my core NFT that I would like to play with. I'm going to select core 36. I hit play. And then it's going to do a local signing event. And this activity right here confirms I have a software wallet and I know the password for it more or less. So the session's stored in the database. So now my session's 981.905. And we go here and it should let us 981.905. We're going to connect and then it's going to load the core NFT that I selected just prior. And I have a bunch of NFTs. I don't know that any of the other ones, they're all the same. They're all going to be the same dragon. Oh, I kind of want to start with this one though. I'm going to hit the save and see what happens. It takes a little while. So then when the game starts, we know what core NFT we want them to be using. And then once they're in the game, we'll list whatever their character NFTs are. And they can select from whatever. And then as they play the game, you will send save events. You'll send update events. And it'll just save it to the NFT. So you can like load it and unload it, or they can switch them, or they can do whatever. The culture around NFTs and the reason why they get fucking banned from Steam and stuff is because they keep trying to do stuff with them. And maybe this is happening less now. That's just like a little shysty. Or it's like pay to win. Like some kind of inherent, god damn it. Where it's pay to win, where it's like, Diablo 4, where, okay, you spend a billion dollars and you just kill everyone in the world in one hit, right? And that's your demographic, right? The money you get to fund your game is provided by 0.001% of the population who play your game. And that's where your money comes from anyway, so what's the problem here, right? You're just making the game for like the 4 crypto whales that are going to play your game. Which is a strategy. I mean, that is a business model. I'm looking at you, Diablo 4. But that's why they tend to get banned, is because the people involved say they have a product and don't, right? Like vaporware. Like when you talk about crypto or Web3 games, there's a lot of vaporware where it's like you go to the website and it's a beautiful website. But there's, the game's been in development forever and it's all PowerPoint slideshows and stuff. Or it's like, mega predatory, or like weird pay-to-win stuff. There are some good ideas out there. I like the idea of your like equipment being an NFT, right? And by that I mean it's just double XP for the next mission. Like you have your game paper doll, where you have like you have your armor and you have your weapons or whatever, you have your boots and stuff, and it's just represented by NFTs somehow, right? Like you go to the shop and you buy them. The problem comes when you start wanting to like trade them with other people, or you want there to be like a user-driven marketplace. The thing about NFTs is that the people who publish them and the chains that they are published on want them to change hands, and they want them to change hands a lot. The incentive for this is basically any operation on a chain, they're getting a gas fee for it. So it's like, 0.001 pennies every time an action happens. And that just adds up over time, right? So, also, if people are selling, like buying and selling NFTs, the people who run the chain, I think it's the people who run the chain, or maybe it's the people who publish NFTs, I don't really know. They get like a percentage of whatever it's sold for. And so if you sell an NFT for like $1 million, maybe they make like 10,000 or something. I don't know. I don't know what the ratio is, but they really want people to like buy and sell and trade them. And that is a motivator to me. Is like is it's just odd. And so we want to like arbitrarily find a reason for people to want to trade all these NFTs. And it's even stranger for me if it's even stranger if those NFTs like don't do anything. If it's just like art. If it's like this guy published 10 NFTs and they're all $1 million each because they're rare. Well, I don't know. I'm like, I can understand that. But would I make any decisions, like monetary decisions based on that? Like, no, I would not. They don't do anything. They don't wash my car. They don't pay my bills. They don't, well, pay bills, but, you know, they don't make me cereal. Right? Like, there's no, like, utility for me for that type of thing. And it's one of those things where I think the technology does, like, you can find an actual functional, fun reason to promote transferring NFTs back and forth to people. For example, like with our core NFTs, with our licenses, if you want to give it to your friend to play over the weekend, right, you have to pay the gas fee to transfer it and to transfer it back. But again, it's like 0.0001 cents or something like that. So we do make something, but do you have any idea how many transactions we'd have to promote to like make anything substantial? Like, I mean, like billions of transactions. This doesn't make any sense to me. Ouch. Oh, I didn't buy... Uh-oh. I forgot. I do not have my armor and stuff. I'm a different NFT now. Oh, I should have done my flame breath on that thing down there. Anyway, I guess let me know if there's anything specific anybody has any questions about. I could just monologue pretty much all day about the dynamic of like NFTs and games and how I feel like I have a lot of examples of how they're being done poorly, or like why they have a bad rap, why they have a justifiably bad rap. Field of Screaming Flowers. Let's sing with them. Their corrupted voices merge with yours, creating a haunting. Uh-oh. The economy of the cosmic collapse is no coins to collect. What? That sucks. Oh my. Okay, yeah. Upgrades, please. 4. For armor. Yeah. That no coins in the next level? That sucks. Let me go buy some guns here. Why are they all unlocked? This is a different character, isn't it? Man, I honestly don't remember if these guns are any good. I don't know. I forget what I was getting at. Basically, they're just kind of like a transparent save game that's kind of neat. And I think they're going to be primarily cosmetic in nature, if I have anything to say about it. They will have play-to-earn rewards going on, but again, absolutely not required to have fun and play through the game. We are going to be doing USD for buying the game, because you're buying a game like you walk into a store to buy a game. This is not like a weird crypto investment of some kind. And I don't know, I think that sets us apart as far as you are getting an actual product. You are getting a product for your monies. This is not a promise. like you buying a core NFT is not a promise for a thing that's never going to happen in fucking 30 years. The whole like, oh yeah, buy this NFT and you'll be able to play our, you know, quadruple A PvP. What is this gun? Ooh, that's cool. Yeah, quadruple A ultimate PvP MMO Fortnite Roblox game or whatever, right? Like, or whatever's going on. This is a weird gun. Ooh, fuck that guy up though. Like a shotgun? Oh, does it increase the range when it gets upgraded? Is that what it's, oh, what's that? Right. Yeah. So yeah, like, buy it in USD because it's like buying a game for $10, which is kind of expensive. I mean, $10 is, you can get a lot of games for $10 if you were on Steam or whatever. $10, $5, whatever. But yes, it is an actual legit product. It's not vaporware. It's not a random promise. $10. Oh shit, that was the gun I wanted. That first one. Fuck the hell off, dragon face. Christ. Oh, what? No! Why? 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 Unable to convert undefined to a number, stack trace. No! Copy paste, copy paste. Rip Crasheroni at H4. Crasheroni. What time is it? This is like the 1:42-ish minute mark in my VOD. That was not good. Okay, so crashed. But I still love you. I still love you, Cosmic Quest. That's what I get for getting rid of that, like, epic shotgun. 981 905. Boop. So, I wonder if I only get one save. So last time we did this, as soon as I started the game, I saved it, right? So let's finish a level. Then I'll save it, and we'll see if it works. I do think I need to go buy armor and stuff again, right? Wasn't that a thing? I think, for whatever reason, it took away my armor upgrades between the last game and this game. Oh, is that the rocket pods or the minigun? I can't remember which gun that is. I kind of like this gun. I wonder what this gun looks like maxed out. Get out of here, tank. Really, the most dangerous things in the game so far are any sort of tank. I haven't seen the penguins yet. Oh, maybe you don't get to the penguins until like corruption level 4 or 5. The penguins are brutal. Like, seriously. Okay. We got this. We fucking got this. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I'm fading. I'm fading fast, people. If you've got questions, ask them. And ask them quickly. And if you're asking them on X, sucks to be you because I don't know how to see your messages. But you're probably not, so I'm not really going to worry about it. Oh, god damn it, my mouse. There we go. Oh, what was I going to do? Oh, I needed to check my upgrades to see if I can do... Did I already do skill up on my... Did I already... Nope. Oh, so I've updated my stuff. I think it's gonna work. Nothing. Fuck. Nothing. Nothing. So it only works when you first start. I like started the game up and I hit the save button and then it did it. And then after that, it doesn't do it anymore. Sad. Dude, Fizz! How's life, man? Dude, it's been like... Dude, it's been years, hasn't it? Year and a half, maybe? I'm gonna do one more level here. And then I'm gonna call it, my friends. Yeah, good to see you, Fizz. If I can get Rocket Pod, I would love Rocket... Oh, wait. I can't... No, I can't end on Survivor. On a Survivor mission. I feel bad. Ouch. Fuck, that hurt. Okay. I'm sorry, I did not respect you, Ghost Gunman. You actually... What the... How did that hit me? Ghost man with a big gun. Fuck, why did I even bother going for that? Dude, Ghost man fucked me up. I thought he was kind of funny, and then, God, he's just wrecked me. Okay. Give me... Oh, Conquer. No, I want to fight a boss. Give me Destroy. The next Destroy mission will be my last. So if you have questions, ask them now. There we go. This is a good gun. Does a bunch of damage and it homes in on everything. There we go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. White dragon. Ooh. So actually that gun he's shooting is real crap if you get it. But it looks pretty legit when... Oh! This is the best companion I've ever had. Is this one right here. It's like actually firing. Oh, check him out. Get up there. No, 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 no. Leave my white dragon alone. Leave my white dragon alone. No! I have to defend this white dragon. He's kicking so much ass. Shit. Oh. Yeah. Okay. What else is there to say? This is a pretty fun game, I think. It's sad that I'm not able to like get super far because I keep having to like restart and stuff. But last time I played, we got to corruption level like 5 or 6 or something. But I'm on corruption level 1, and this feels like way harder than last time. I think he made it harder. Or maybe it was just like slow and crap last time. And now I'm playing it on actual speed and I'm actually shit at this game. Homing missile rocket pod, please. Ooh, that's so satisfying. Watching those rockets home in on things. They just swirl around and murder everything on the screen. Ow, fuck. Get 'em! This is like angry bee rockets. Dude, I only got hit twice and I'm already pretty fucking low. That was risky to go down there for that health. If I had been hit, dude, what guns he got? No, I kind of want to keep this guy. He's got that like triple laser beam looking thing. Fuck. Okay, boss. You got nothing. You got nothing, crazy white dragon. Ooh, gotta level up. Okay, folks, I'm Demigund, and this is Cosmic Quest, a game that I helped get integrated with NFT Land. It's super fun. Your core NFT, again, will get you access to the game. It's just like owning the cartridge. You don't need to do any anything after that. Pay $10, play the fucking game. Don't worry about any of the crypto anything if you don't wanna. If you do wanna, you can buy a character NFT that you can level up and like, you know, get cool airdrops and shit. If you're into that kind of thing, I think the airdrops and stuff are going to be based on the rarity of the NFT that you get and its level. And then, like, you know, every month we're going to have some kind of cool activities to increase your multiplier. But again, you don't have to. It's just a cool, fun little retro game. I hope you like it. It's going to go live in 2 days, where you can get into the beta. Basically, you can play this broken ass fucking version that I'm playing right now, and submit all your bug requests and stuff, and we will work to, you know, not have them be a thing when the game goes live. I don't know how long the beta is going to be. I do recommend that people do it though, because the beta is fucking fun. There's usually kind of like a small tight-knit group of people that are doing it. Like around, there's usually like 10 or so. But they have their own Discord channel, and we talk and like log bugs and do screenshots and all kinds of stuff. It's pretty cool. And then I think people that have the beta or the test NFT, the core that got you into the beta, I don't know if they're doing a thing like if you get a badge or something in Discord that's like, I was there for the Cosmic Dragoon beta, they might be doing something like that. I mean, I would if I was in charge of that kind of thing. But yeah, so it's gonna be this Saturday. Hopefully it won't crash and burn. Hopefully. I'm gonna be out probably teaching my daughter how to ride a bike, which is gonna be fun. So I may or may not be there while it all burns down. In any case, I'm David Gunn. Thank you for watching. If you like what you see, follow and stuff. Other than that, have a great night. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, because I like talking about this. It's pretty cool. It's pretty fun. I like it. Have a great night, everybody.